I'm about to set off for Milwaukee. I'm going to be showing 3 cars at the Milwaukee Concours. As you can see behind me, I have a Marcos GT on the back of my truck. You'll find out what else I'm bringing later on in this video. Okay, it's Concours day. I've got the 3 cars I brought unloaded, a Harrington Le Mans, a Marcos 1500, and a Berkeley SE328. I'm wearing this outfit because I'm a judge here today. So let's get these parked in the Concours and see what else is here. My judging duties are done for today, so let's take a look at some of the cars here, see what the highlights of the Milwaukee Concours are.
Yeah. Well, I think.
Oh, many cars. Really bad. Yeah. Should I wear this hat on TV or should I switch to the regular hat? I should probably go back in my car. I was saying and read. Make sure I read up on the history of it. Make sure. No, he wants to do that. Sunday.
Right. Marcos. Okay. I don't remember now, but I gave him your number. I'll figure me from.
Okay, it looks like I've got awards on both the Marcos and the Harrington Le Mans. I also just got interviewed by Dennis Gage for the My Classic Car television show. So hopefully that airs with the Harrington Le Mans on the show. We'll have to wait and see. I did win 2 class awards and a premiere award, but I don't know what it's for yet.
Yeah, just turn her over there. That's right. There you go.
You ready to go?
All right. Am I ready?
Fire her up.
Okay.
I love Sunbeam. It's all blow by.
Wait, we're gonna change that again.
Oh my God, look, it's a Marcos! Gee, I love these cars. I love these cars so much, this was my pick for today. These are really interesting cars, and they said it before. I mean, they have a plywood frame, totally weird. But I have a history with these things that goes back to 1978. I thought it looked like it dropped from another planet. I loved it. So when I saw another one here today, I figured, I think I'll pick that car. And I did. A Marcos. It's owned by Steve. What's your last name, Steve? Steve Myers, of course. Fabulous car. I want that car. Thank you.
Well, that was an awesome day and a big surprise. I got to be interviewed by Dennis Gage for an episode of My Classic Car with the Harrington, and I also won the My Classic Car award with the Marcos. And since I had won 2 class awards, Dennis Gage offered to drive my Marcos up and get that award for me. And yeah, it was a great day. I got 3rd in class with the Marcos, and I got 1st in class with the Harrington.
Wow.